This is my bathroom windowsill, and in this video I'll show you how to replace a windowsill. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name is Andy, and this is part of my master bathroom remodel series. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Use a utility knife and cut all around the windowsill. Mine is a marble one that I'm going to be getting rid of. Step 2. Take a hammer and lightly start to tap from the bottom of one of the corners. Work your way to the other side by slowly tapping. Make sure to take your time so you don't damage it. Once you see the windowsill starts popping off, use your hands and lift and remove it from the window. You may have to wiggle it a little before it comes out. Step 3. Take a putty knife and clean off the old caulking from the window and the wall. Step 4. Clean up the mess before installing a new windowsill. Then measure out the size you need for the windowsill. I'll be using 3/4 inch thick by 6 inch wide piece of wood. Mark your measurement, draw a line, and use a chop saw to cut the wood piece. Step 5. Before installing the windowsill, make sure you see where the wood is so you know where to nail it. To make it easier, I marked the center line on the wall so when I place the windowsill in, I can still see it. Step 6. Install the wooden windowsill and nail it to the window frame. You can see I'm nailing it also to the trim piece because I'll be trimming the window in another video, so subscribe for more. Step 7. Use a wood putty and a putty knife and fill in all the nail holes. I'm using DAP plastic Wood-X, which goes on pink and dries natural color like this. Step 8. Take some caulk and caulk all around the corners. I'm using DAP Alex Flex for trim and molding caulking. I'll have the links to all the material below. And finally, paint the windowsill to your desired color and you're done. Thanks and subscribe.